Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to work on this gradient zigzag nail art tutorial using nail stamping. Let's go ahead and get started. As always, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that bell so you'll know when I upload. First, apply your favorite base coat. I applied one coat. Next, apply your base color. I chose black and I applied 2 coats. This next step is optional, but I used my liquid latex to line each nail. This just makes the cleanup process much easier. Next, I used 2 stamping polishes from Maniology and 1 gel polish. And this is the template that I used. I chose the zigzag pattern and I started off applying each polish onto the pattern. I wanted a gradient effect, so it didn't really matter where the polishes went. Next, to get the design, I use my nail scraper, and all you do is just take it and scrape it away. I did it twice to get a better gradient effect. Next, you're going to take your stamp and you're going to pick up your image. Now you're just going to apply that image to your nail. To clean off your stamper, it's super easy. Just take a piece of Scotch tape and it comes right off. Now I'm just taking off the liquid latex. Don't worry if it peels up your design a little bit. I'll show you how to fix that. And this is where your tape comes in handy again. All I did was use the tape to lift off the extra polish. Last, I applied the Maniology smudge-free top coat. This is probably one of the best top coats that I've used as far as nail stamping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you use the code LUXNAILS on Maniology's website for 10% off. They have awesome stuff on there. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.